Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with a couple of smaller Cursed City minis this week. I'm starting off with a Gnawbone Stray, which is basically just a zombie cat. It was primed in Vallejo's grey primer, and I'll start off with black tempo over pretty much everything including the base. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. I also stream on Twitch on Thursdays and Sundays if you want to come and hang out. Next up is Gory Red for the ripped open part on its back. To highlight some of those exposed areas that still have flesh on them, I use pure red. Finishing this cat off, I use skeleton bone to do the tops of its back and the exposed part of the skull. Now onto the Diregoyles, which is a weird name for basically just a loot goblin. I started this thing off with Blood Angel Red over the entire body. To highlight that skin up, I used pure red. Any light red will do, but since I used this on the cat, it's just on my palette. For the claws, teeth and eyes, I use skeleton bone. I now gave the loot chest a once over with charred brown. The metal parts are done with gunmetal. I also done the coin in its mouth with this, as there's really no point in getting a gold out just for that small coin. To finish up ready for basing, I covered the base in black. And that will be it for these two. They're very quick and simple to do. The bases are done the same way all my other Cursed City minis are, just to blend in. You can do a strong tone wash over these minis, but I chose not to as they're very tiny and I think it would blend with the base a bit too much. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you want to support the channel more than you already do, check out my Ko-fi page where you can drop a one-off tip towards helping me get better equipment. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.